Hello everyone, a pleasant day to all of you. Let me welcome you all into the world of science, where you will learn, you will experiment, you will explore, and you will discover. Today, we will be exploring the land of impulse and momentum.
First of all, I will tell you what momentum is. Momentum is carried by all material objects while in motion. In physics, momentum is a calculated product of the scalar mass of a body and its vector velocity. It is defined as P is equal to mv, where P is equal to momentum, m is equal to mass, and v is equal to velocity. In two objects moving at constant velocity, the object which has greater mass has greater momentum. On the other case, when two objects have the same mass, the object which has greater velocity has greater momentum. An object with a large mass and low velocity can have a momentum equal to an object with a small mass and a high velocity. Momentum is associated with impulse. Impulse is a term which describes the cause of momentum changes. The calculated product of a force and the duration of its application is equal to the impulse. Impulse causes a corresponding change in the momentum of a body. Here is a practical application of impulse. A boy hit by a ball was hurt because of the great impact force. When this boy avoided the direction of the ball, the distance and the time traveled by the ball increased, causing to have less impact force, thus he was not hurt.
In the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs, gotta have my bowl, gotta have cereal, seeing everything, the time is going, ticking on and on, everybody's rushing, gotta get down to the bus stop, gotta catch my bus, I see my friends, kicking in the front seat, sitting in the back seat, gotta make my mind up, which seat can I take?
Collision is any interaction of particles in which momentum is changed or transferred. Conservation of momentum is the total before collision is equal to the total after collision. There are two types of collision, perfectly elastic and perfectly inelastic. Perfectly elastic is when colliding objects rebound from each other with less of kinetic energy. Perfectly elastic is defined as m1 times v1 plus m2 times v2 is equal to m1 times v1 apostrophe plus m2 times v2 apostrophe. While perfectly inelastic is when colliding objects stick or click together and kinetic energy is not conserved. Both objects are deformed. Perfectly inelastic is defined as m1 times v1 plus m2 times v2 is equal to the quantity m1 plus m2 times v. This ends our exploration for today. I am hoping that you have learned a lot about impulse and momentum. It is now time to say goodbye to the science world and go back to the real world. So long, brethren. God bless.
driving on the